Welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Kishan sir is your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 5 subject science. Topic is weight, volume and density, and it is lesson 11. And here the topic name is weight, volume and density. You know what is weight? Suppose you go to the marketplace and buy some 1 kg of potato, and the shopkeeper scale and take a 1 kgs of bucket, 1 kgs of iron here, and put 1 kgs of potato in equal size, and you get it and you can satisfy it. It is known as weight. And the definition is weight. The weight of an object is the force acting on the object due to gravity. You know gravity, there is a gravitational force. You know Sir Isaac Newton, once upon a time when he visited in a garden site, he sat in the garden and he noticed that one of the apples fall down on the earth, and he think in the mind that there is some gravitational force on the earth. That is known as the gravitational force. Everything in this universe pull each other. And suppose I throw this chalk, it goes down because why? This is because due to the force of gravity, because there is a gravitational force on the earth. You know the value of G is 9.8, and approximately we can take this 10 newtons. Now the weight is very important for you, because nowadays in every aspect of life weight is depends upon you. Weight can do every work here. Suppose you go to measurings your shirt and pant, it is also measurings, and its weight. Weight can, you can suppose one of the milkmen come to your house and give you 1 liters of milk, he measure in the 1 liters of can. This is a weights. Second point is volume. You know the amount of space that a substance or object occupy, means the amount of object that a substance and object occupy, it is known as volume. Suppose you take the classroom volume, length, breadth, means length, you see the length one, this is one length, breadth, and this is known as height. It is known as volume. Means the amount of space present in an area, it is known as volume. And third one is density. Density is defined as the weight of unit volume of a substance. Means density very important. Density depends upon the object is floating or sinking. There is one of the principles of the object floating and sinking. Principles are, if the object is denser than water, means any object which is denser than water, it sinks in water. This is the first principle. Means suppose if the object is denser than water, suppose you take this chalk is denser than water, then it sinks in water. And when if it is less than water, means any object which is less than water, it is floats on the water. This is the principle of floating and sinking, and this is also known as Archimedes principles also. This floating and sinking depend upon the object. Don't think the mind that the iron is suppose you think 1 nails put down in the water is drops down, but the ship made of iron can't see it. Why? Because why? What is the reason? The reason is that if it is less than the water, it is floats also, and the shape and size of the ship is also in the underside as a hollow, and take a lot of amount space, lot of volumes also there. So it depends upon the volume also. That's why the ship can't sink in the waters. And you know there's one scientist, his name is Archimedes. Once upon a time he go to the washroom and take a bath there in a single bowl, and it jump on the sink, all the waters come down. Means all the waters of the tub fall off of the waters of sometimes, and this is known as, he think in the mind, it is known as eureka. He think it told in the mind eureka, means a new idea. So this upthrust force is depend upon. Suppose in a 1 bucket of water, you pull, you take a one mug or 1 bucket, and you pull the mugs in the water. If you push forward, you say there is some pulls, there is some force that pulls your hands up down. So this process is known as upthrust force. And suppose you in a riverbed area, there is a stones, or if you pull the stones, it's you think in the mind is very lighter. Why? Because this is known as buoyancy force. It is known as upthrust force. And this Archimedes principle that the upthrust is equal to the weight of water displaced by an object. Suppose suppose this is a bucket. You take this bucket also and pull here. Suppose you have water is this much. The surface of water is this much, and you put some here brick here. You think the water rising here. the water rises here. Why? Because it displaces the area, too much area displaced, means the outstress is equal to the weight of water displaced by an object. Suppose if you pull a bucket here, one of the mug here, this type of mug, you think in the mind, some force has exert your hand here. This is known as upthrust force, and very important because this archimedes principle help you the ships to get the objects in the nearby area, it is sinkable or not, and this velocity is sonar. They help you to create the minds of the sailor to sail throughout the country without any fear, because they know which object is sinkable and which object is not sinkable, and this upthrust force that help the ship to go far away place without sinking in the. I think all of you understood the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.